Gold medal goes to Lenara Tuan from BAS. Silver medal, Rafael Ezekiel from BAS Taekwondo. Bronze medal goes to Frederick K. Domingo from PTDC and Julian Mercado from DPS. Again, medalist in the grade school boys group 0 division. Gold medal goes to Leonard Suron from BAS Taekwondo. Silver, Rafael Ezekiel, BAS Taekwondo. Bronze medalist, Frederick Kid Domingo, PTDC, and Julian Mercado from DPS. Proceed to the awarding area here in front of the stage. Exactly